All right, so this is the game page. Some of you guys have the game page, some of you guys have the puzzle page. So if this page is not in your work packet, then just go to the other video because that means you have the puzzle page. All right, so for the game page, we are going to go over our words, the images that we see here. We're going to go over each one and see if they're related to the article we read this week, which is about Stress Awareness Month. And so it says the directions say, choose the pictures about Stress Awareness Month. All right, so we are going to pick, select all the pictures, but first let's review all the words. The first word we have change, mining, sad, better, feelings, stress, school counselor, penguin, talk, less, dresser, feel, space program, exercise, everyone, cause. Okay, so let's go over the words and see if they are they're related to our article Stress Awareness Month. If you need to pause, you're more than welcome to pause the video so you guys can answer the questions. Also, you guys can look for these words on your AAC device. Not all words will be on your device, but I'm sure you'll be able to find some of these words. Okay, so the first word is change. Is change a Stress Awareness Month word? Also, can you find change in your AAC? I think you can.
Change.
Yep, change is one of our vocabulary words this week. Mining. Is mining a word that we learned about this week or we read about? No.
Mining.
No, mining might be stressful, but we didn't talk about that. This word is sad. Is sad a word that we went through, we read about, or was in our article? You can probably find this in your AAC as well under feelings.
Sad.
Yes, people who are stressed might feel sad. This word is better. Better a word that we see?
Better.
Good, better. Feelings. Is feelings a word that was in our article?
Feelings.
Yes, feelings is a word that's in our article. Our next word is stress. This should be an easy one. Stress. Is stress in our article?
Stress.
Yes, stress is a word that is in our article. Stress is the main topic of our article this week. School counselor. Did we talk about school counselor in our article?
School counselor.
We talked about school counselor. Our next word is penguin. Have we talked about penguins in the article? Any animals at all?
Penguin.
No, we didn't talk about any animals. This word is talk. Did we go over the word talk?
Talk.
Yes, because we can talk to our school counselor if you need to, if you're feeling stressed. What about the word less? Do we use the word less?
Less.
Yeah. So if you want to feel less stressed, there's different ways to feel that way. We can talk to our counselor, help us feel better about our feelings. And do we talk about dresser? A dresser is a piece of furniture.
Dresser.
No, we didn't talk about dresser. What about feel? Did we talk about feel?
Feel.
Yeah, feel is one of our vocabulary words. What about space program? Was space program was the space program an icon or a topic that you saw in an article today?
Space program.
No. What about exercise?
Exercise.
Yeah, exercise is one way that people feel better when they're feeling stressed. Next word is everyone. Is everyone a word that we recognize from the article?
Everyone.
Yes, everyone is one of our vocabulary words this week. And our last word is cause. Is cause a word that we might have discussed in our article?
Cause.
Yeah, we can talk about different things that cause stress. Maybe change can cause stress, and stress can cause people to have feelings such as sadness.